Assalamualaikum. Good morning, pupils. Our PDPR today will be offline, and we are still in the unit for money. And our subtopic for today is addition of money. We revise our previous lesson, value of money. Okay, look at the combination of money, note, a 20 ringgit note and coins. So the value of money is 20 ringgit and 90 cent. Okay, we write like this in numerals RM20.90, and we read it as 20 ringgit and 90 cent. And this is the abacus that shows the value of money. Okay, here is 0, 9, okay, dot here, and then here is 0, and then here is 2. So 20 ringgit and 90 cent. Next, okay, this combination of money, the value of the money is 37 ringgit and 50 cent. 37 ringgit and 50 cent. And this is the abacus that shows the value of 37 ringgit and 50 cent. Next, number 3. Okay, so this combination gives the value of 72 ringgit and 65 cent. 72 ringgit and 65 cent. Okay, this is in words, 72 ringgit and 65 cent. And remember, 250 ringgit has the same value as 100 ringgit. And 10 ringgit also has the same value as 100 ringgit. Now we go through our lesson today, addition of money. Okay, first example, 45 ringgit plus 24 ringgit. So we are going to solve it by using standard written method. Okay, we write 45 ringgit first, and then 24 ringgit below 45 ringgit. Write the symbol of plus and then underline. So we start from 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. And then write RM. Okay, so write your answer in the box. 69 ringgit. 45 ringgit plus 24 ringgit equals 69 ringgit. We go to example number 2. 74 ringgit and 25 cent plus 9 ringgit and 60 cent. So we write 74 ringgit and 25 cent first, and then 9 ringgit and 60 cent below. So write symbol of plus and then underline. So we start from 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. And then 4 plus 9 is 13. So we write 3 below 9 and then 1 above 7. So 1 plus 7 equals 8. Okay. Look at the dot symbol or the full stop symbol, titik. They must be in the same row or in the same line. Okay, like this. So we write dot here and then write RM. So the answer is 83 ringgit and 85 cent. Okay. Next, we go to our last example. Okay, number 3. 50 cent plus 34 ringgit and 15 cent plus 2 ringgit and 60 cent. So we will solve it by using standard written method as we had done before. So 50 cents, we have to convert it to RM. So how to convert it? Okay, it will be like this. RM 0.50. Okay, this is 50 cents. So and then we write 34 ringgit and 15 cents below, and then 2 ringgit and 60 cents. Okay, write plus and then underline. So we start from this row. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. And then the second row, 5 plus 1 plus 6 equals 12. So we write 2 below 6 and then 1 above 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. And then 3, so we bring down 3. And then don't forget, the dot symbol must be in the same row or in the same line. So we write dot here and then RM. So the answer is 37 ringgit and 25 cents. For your task today, do exercise in activity book, page 105 and 106. Okay, that's all from teacher. Assalamualaikum. Bye.